Hi, Lee Acey from Healthcare Clinic, inviting you to stop by our final founding member open house at Healthcare Clinic in Rochester on Thursday, February 29th from 4 to 8 p.m. This is the end of our founding member phase in Rochester, where you can lock in 20% savings off our regular membership dues for as long as you remain a member. This is a chance for you to see the Healthcare Clinic difference for yourself and what's included in your affordable monthly or annual membership. It includes primary care visits, more than 100 diagnostic blood tests as needed, your first 2 prescription medications from our generic formulary, as well as health coaching to help you prevent and even reverse disease through lifestyle changes. We're at 2150 2nd Street Southwest in Rochester, about a half-mile west of St. Mary's and across from the Quick Trip. We hope you'll stop by and see the Healthcare Clinic difference for yourself, because Healthcare Clinic is where you belong.